Everyday survival in a tough economy requires strategic budgeting, but it also offers a unique opportunity to thrive. Welcome to our guide on mastering the art of financial resilience. Let's dive into practical steps that can make a world of difference. First, assess your income and expenses. List every source of income and compare it against your daily, weekly, and monthly expenses. This visibility allows you to see where your money goes. Now, prioritize essential needs: housing, food, utilities, and healthcare. These should always come first in your budget. Next, it's time to differentiate between wants and needs. While a daily coffee run might seem small, cutting it out could save you significant money over time. Instead, consider brewing your own coffee at home as an affordable alternative. Embrace the power of the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to discretionary expenses, and 20% to savings. This balanced approach ensures that you meet your needs while still enjoying simple pleasures and preparing for the future. Shopping smarter is key. Use coupons, shop sales, and consider generic or store brands. When possible, buy in bulk to save money on essential items. Planning meals ahead and creating a shopping list can prevent impulse buys and food waste, stretching your budget further. Debt management is another crucial factor. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first. If you're struggling with multiple loans, consider consolidating them for a more manageable payment plan. This can reduce financial stress and allow more room in your budget for other priorities. Building an emergency fund might seem daunting, but start small. Even a modest amount saved each month adds up over time, offering a buffer against unexpected expenses. Remember, it's not how quickly you fill your emergency fund, but consistency that counts. Lastly, explore alternative income streams. Freelancing, part-time work, or selling unneeded items online can generate extra cash. These opportunities not only provide financial relief, but can turn hobbies and skills into profitable ventures. By making these strategies part of your routine, you can transform everyday survival into a thriving lifestyle. Share this video with friends and family so everyone can benefit from these budgeting tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, financial resilience is a journey, not a destination.